What's up, dancers? This is Jam back with another locking tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the sneak. The sneak, also sometimes called the seek, is a super funky move. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna break down the technique for you, as well as show you a couple different ways that you can switch it up. Let's do it.
Jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
All right, so the sneak was a move originally seen on Soul Train. According to Skeeter Rabbit, this move was originally called the sneaky peek. And it involves the hips rocking side to side, and you're gonna be basically looking to each side as if you're looking out, right? So, and that is also why it can also sometimes be called the seek, because you're seeking out. Okay, so the basic fundamental move behind the sneak is the rock steady. And it's basically this rocking of the hips. So I have a tutorial on the rock steady. If you haven't seen it before, go ahead and click that link right there. That's basically the prerequisite to be able to do this move, okay? So to start out, we're gonna start out with the hips. Now the difference between the sneak motion with the hips and the rock steady is that with the sneak, you're actually gonna go down first. So usually with the rock steady, you go up, down, or you go up, down. With the sneak, you're actually gonna go down first, and then you're gonna come up, okay? So let's start with just the really basic version. And this is the version that I like to do mostly because it's a little bit more funky to me. So when you go down, okay, so first you're gonna start with your hips, and you can rock either side, whichever side you like. I'm gonna be rocking this way. So I'm gonna come down and I'm going to hip out, just like that, okay? So from up, we're gonna come down and hip, and then as we come up, we're gonna hip. Now you notice that our hips are gonna be rocking the same direction the whole time. So if you're going to the right, your hips are gonna go right the whole time, okay? Just like a rock steady, where we're going down and up, okay? So with the hands, when we come up, we're gonna look to each side to side, okay? So really slowly, we're gonna go down with the hips, we're gonna come up. So as our body comes up this way, here's the hand, okay? Then we're gonna come back down, come to the center, come back down, and to the right. Okay, so I'm going right to left. So you notice on this side, your hips are rocking right, but you're gonna look to the left. Now when you come to the other side, your hips are gonna rock right, but you're gonna look to the right. So this is where it can get kind of tricky because you're gonna be looking left to right, but the hips are always rocking the same direction, okay? So really slowly again, we go down and up and down and up, down and up and down and up, just like that. So a really traditional way to do this move as well is when you come to the center, you're gonna roll your arms just like this, yeah? So I'm gonna come down again, up this way, then I come down and I roll. Come down and up and down and roll. Down, up, down, roll, down, up, down, roll. Just like that. So with this version, you can also go single time. So instead of stopping in the middle and then going to the side and then stopping in the middle and going up, you can just go side to side. So the way that we would do that is we start down, we go down, we come up, go down, and then go up right away. So boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. So that's more of the continuous version of the sneak, more of the version that you'll see more often. So this next version is more of a broken up version of it. So it might be a little bit easier for those of you who don't really understand this yet, this whole continuous rocking to the same side. So with this version, we're actually going to be going side to side. So we will be switching sides, okay? So let's start the same way. I'm going to go to the right side. So we're gonna drop down, we hip to the right, then we come up to the right. Now, the timing of it is you're actually gonna stop here, then your hip is gonna go down to the left and up to the left. So it has more of a boom, boom, stop, boom, boom, stop, boom, boom, stop, boom, boom, stop. Yeah? And so the last thing that you can do with this move is you can actually add different types of pauses and looks the other way. And you can also add a leg, okay? So if we're gonna go into it, let's just do the first version, the normal version, right? So we're gonna go down, down, boom. Yeah, so you can add creativity, whatever hand, you could change the hands, right? And then you could rock back down and start it up again, yeah? Boom, you could do that side. You could also stop, look, and rock. Boom, 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 ha, boom, look. Yeah, so feel free to get creative with how you use your legs, how you use your hands, the timings. You can switch between the 3, boom, 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 or the continuous, okay? And this is where you start getting creative with the move and adding your own flavor and your own elements into it. Thank you so much for checking out this locking tutorial. I really hope that you learned something, and if you did, then go ahead and leave me a like and drop me a comment. Let me know your feedback on this video and any other videos you'd like to see in the future. If you want more in-depth training, then make sure you check out my brand new membership program right here on YouTube. If you click that little join button, you can sign up to officially be one of my students. You get access to all of my online classes, plus all the new classes I drop every single month, as well as live classes and video critiques to help you on your dance journey. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial when I put one out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.